Yo, what's up, everybody? I'm doing this on my cell phone, so there's not gonna be many graphics and stuff like that. First, before I start, I want to do a shout out for my buddy. I'll put it in the link below. Maybe if not, I want you to check out Rockhaven Sinto. If I'm saying this wrong, sue me, Rockovo. Rokavin Sinto Sinto. I'll put in the link if I can, but I'm doing this for my cell phone. I'm not going to my computer. I don't want to waste time with that. But what he's doing is he wrote some manga series.
Is it manga or manga?
I think it's manga. But he does some great writing, and he's got this great book coming out, and he's got like over, I don't even know, 20,000 reads. He's like 22 years old. He's a great, good dude. Anyway, that's not what this is about. This is about opening the Loot Fright Crate for February.
Oh, boy.
I used to get this all the time. Look how big this one is. So, what the heck? Top hat Dan. How do we open this, Mohawk? Oh, and we got the child here.
His name is Grogu. He's finally got a name now. Oh, sorry if you
by the way,
wait, if you didn't see that.
I know it's the Hawk.
Sorry about the spoiler.
Yeah, I know it's the Hawk.
Today, I don't have the Hawk up because we didn't have time.
It's the hat and the Hawk, but
so I got a cool hat.
He's got a cool hat on.
Bandana.
If you're a Philly fan, he's got a cool hat. If you're not, he's got not a cool hat. But
Flyers, actually.
Whatever the hell it is.
Whatever.
Well, I don't even know town we're in anymore.
Our official knife.
Ooh, open it up, man. Let's do this.
Am I getting the...
Do it. I give you the privilege. Don't stand me. Ooh, Fright Crate. Loot Crate. Loot Fright. Loot Fright.
Look at the dragon on there.
Ooh, Loot Fright.
Ooh, that's all I had to do?
Look at this.
Oh.
Now, oh, man. That's kind of a cool little... I didn't even notice that. Check that out, people.
What is it?
Son of a... I don't know. It's like pod people. No, it's like... Pod people.
What thing did I say? Pod people. Podcast.
Who knows? Let's see what's in here, though. We're going to do this blind now.
Wait. Does this guy have glasses on?
Oh, man. Oh, I do feel a shirt, but I don't want to do that.
You always save the shirt for last.
I'm going to pull out something little. Oh, my God. This is brilliant for me. Oh, my God.
Oh, no.
So
I saw it.
a pin. Plan 9 from Outer Space.
Oh, who here knows what that's all about?
Yeah, for those who don't know that, Ed Wood, one of the greatest, worst directors of all time.
Best movies ever.
But great, and Tim Burton did the movie with Johnny Depp.
And?
That did the whole, and what's her name? What?
George Animal Steel.
Yeah, George Animal Steel played the bold guy in there. I forget what his name was.
I'll give you the wrestling trivia in here.
Yeah, he's the wrestling guy. All right, hold on.
What is that, just like a little pin?
Yeah.
Oh, that is sweet.
All right, here's something else.
That's sweet. Is that a bandana or what is that? Oh, is that another shit?
What is this?
Ooh, I don't know. Open it. I'm not opening that up with the knife because I don't want to ruin that. Find the end.
Trying. All right, wait.
This might be like one of those things you just hang up on the wall.
Hold on.
Ooh. What is it? You son of a damn?
Grogu, hold on, Grogu.
I want to know.
I might give this to you, Grogu.
Is it like a little? Oh wait, which way do you go?
It's a towel, I think. Oh my God! It's an H.P. Lovecraft.
Oh, that's fucking
like tapestry towel.
Like a hang thingy, John.
Here, Grogu, hold on to that.
He's like, I'm gonna wear this.
Wait, something else? I always grab the small stuff first. Wait. That's what she said.
Really cool. That is actually kind of...
Oh my God! What is this?
Like, oh my God, you don't even know what it is.
No, because I thought it was Plan 9 from Outer Space, but it says from Outer Space.
Maybe it is from outer space.
Oh my God, it's from the X-Files.
Oh, is this like a notepad?
This is not happening. That's a quote on the back.
Is that a notepad or a book?
Hold on.
Okay! I'm excited! We do this stuff, people.
Like, once a year, you'll see me on YouTube, so thanks for tuning in. Now, I'm actually going to do this more often now that
we got to get back in the groove, bro.
New persona here. Alright, cigarette-smoking alien shadowy government officials Alex Trebek, one of the X-Files' most beloved Monster of the Week episodes. Jose Chung's From Outer Space, premiered on Fox. That's a misprint. Fox. It says Fox and then N-E. N-E.
Maybe it's like a
I think it meant network, but
yeah, it's
the 12th, 1998, tells the story of an alleged alien abduction of 2 teenagers as related to flamboyant author Jose Chung, played by TV's Charles Nelson Riley, really good actor, who wants to pioneer and profit from the new non-fiction, science fiction literary genre as he works to discern the truth of the encounter. Chung hears confabulations of men in black, alien autopsies, and Mulder's insatiable appetite for sweet potato pie.
Ooh, now I want sweet potato pie.
This critically acclaimed episode was scribed by Darren Morgan, known for writing other offbeat X-Files classics like Clyde Bruckman's Final Repose. Please enjoy this bleeping notebook, you blankety blank. So, it's
that's a pretty cool notebook, though.
It's just a pretty cool notebook.
It's a pretty cool notebook. All right.
Rock and roll.
Somewhere now. We're getting somewhere.
Rock and roll.
We are getting somewhere, right, Grogu?
There's a big box inside this box.
There's a box in the box?
I'm going to pull the box out. I think that's what's left, the box. Let's pull the box out.
Wait, there's a shirt, too.
Yeah, the shirt's left.
Dan! I saw it. I don't want you to see it. Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
All right.
It's amazing.
It's The Fly.
Oh, my God. We love this movie.
Brundle Fly. David Cronenberg. Great classic remake of the classic.
Wait, you need my knife.
I need the knife. Great remake of the classic. Brundle Fly. Jeff Goldblum. One of the most disgusting movies ever. But,
yeah.
I'm sorry, special effects are amazing. I think you got it.
Oh my God. What is
Go. Well, we know it's a mug. I think it says a mug on it.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Dude, don't even drink out of that thing.
Oh.
Oh, that's sick.
It's the actual
It's that
freaking, yeah, the pod chamber where he went and the fly went in. And
that is so weird.
The only thing now I need another one. So when he goes in and the fly goes in, he comes out on the other side with the other one. Wow.
Sweet.
This is brilliant. What? This is actually very well designed. Wow.
Turn it around so that. Oh. That is cool. Yes.
Anyway, guys, this is Loot Crate, their new Fright Crate. I will put a link in the description.
That's cool.
Subscribe to it. If there's a way for me, because I'm doing this on my phone right now, if there's a way for me to give you a discount, it'll be in the link below. I'm not sure yet because I'm just randomly doing this tonight.
It'll be
haven't been doing YouTube stuff in a while. But anyway, let's see what I got now. The shirt.
The shirt.
I don't even know what the shirt is. You know what? I don't even know what the shirt is. I'm going to show it to you guys first, and then the camera, and then maybe I'll turn around and I'll be like, what the hell is that?
I even said I hope it's alien. Or aliens. It is. Oh my God.
Oh, yeah. Got myself a nice aliens.
Yo.
Alien. I think it encapsulates everything.
Oh, it's got the little pods in the front.
The face hugger,
Look,
the pods.
in there.
Yep.
Oh, that's nice.
So this was Loot Crate,
nice.
Fright Crate for, I want to say February. I think they're doing it
Did you get the monthly thing?
Every 2 months now. Want more info about the epic gear you just unboxed? Thanks for being a looter. We love you. They give you like a little card now that you can scan. I don't know if you guys can scan this. It'll help you on the screen. No idea, or this is just for me, but oops, whatever. All right, guys. Peace out. Have an awesome February. Stay safe. Love horror. I'm Top Hat Dan / Cinema Dan.
I'm the Hawk without the Hawk today.
Oh, by the way, if you like anything I do, subscribe. Like.
Hit the button below.
And I don't do any of these graphics like those other people. I've been doing YouTube for like 15 years, and I'm just lazy. All right.
What else are we gonna do?
Love you guys.